Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my August Ipsy Extra box. If you're not familiar, it is a subscription box. It costs around $30 a month. I think I get a discount because I pay for the year, but it's around $30, $33. You get 5 full-sized items. You could get skincare, tools, makeup. You do get to choose 3 of the items. The other 2 they choose for you based on your profile. I'm excited to get into this. Let's go. If you're curious what is on my face already, I have my Natasha Denona tan palette on. I've been playing with the I Need a Cool. Hopefully you saw that video. If not, I will link it. But I love this palette. I only have 1 shade on. It is the shade Burnt right here. I have it all over the lid and underneath. I used my Sigma eyeshadow primer. I have a little bit of a shadow stick underneath. This is a favorite from Sephora collection. It is in the shade Auburn Shimmer. It went really well with that burnt shade. More Sephora collection items, the retractable black pencil and the brush tip liner. I don't have mascara on because I'm putting it on out of this box. I have my Grown Alchemist matte primer on. The IT Cosmetics Do It All. This is the Sheer Tint Face Balm. I don't think it's sheer. I think it did a really nice job. The Patrick Ta Concealer and the Natasha Denona Loose Setting Powder. Oh, and my lips. My friend Carmel inspired me to pull out some ColourPop favorites. She just did a best of ColourPop or full face of ColourPop video. I will link her channel below, but I have the BFF lip liner on and this ColourPop and New Moon lippy called Jake. Really nice formula. Love this. Perfect mauvey brown. So let's get into the box. Get a nice little magazine that tells you what the theme is. It says Soft Reset. Some nice reading material for you. I believe there is a QR code. There it is. It's right here in the corner. I'm just gonna use my app. You do get a cute little bag in here. Not something I will use, but I can regift it. And the first product, I might as well finish these eyes, is a mascara. And it is from Laura Geller. This is called the On and On Lashes Lengthening Mascara. It is in black, retails for $26. Extend and define your lashes to wow-inducing new levels with this lengthening mascara. This precision formula coats every last lash for ultimate length. Packaging feels a little flimsy, a little lightweight, but let's see what the mascara does. I do love a new mascara. Seeing some length and separation. I'd like to see if I can build it. Definite length, not a lot of volume. Let me go ahead and try to build this up on both eyes, and I'll be right back. I'm back, and I have to say I don't love it, but I don't hate it. Right now it's just in the okay category. It definitely gave me length and volume. This side started getting a little bit clumpy, so I had to stop. It went really well underneath my eyes. I'll give it a B. I just realized I don't have any brows on. I did put a little bit of brow gel in. Let's move on to the brow product that I found in my box. This is from Lucky Chick. This is the Precision Brow Pencil, retails for $18. A microfine precision brow pencil that creates natural hair-like strokes in a smooth powder wax glide for soft, believable definition. They sent me the shade Cocoa Brown. Now, typically, I would like to put a pencil in before my gel, and quite honestly, I just forgot because I use brow pens so much. I put the brow gel in and went, oops. So hopefully I can make this work on top of a brow gel. Ooh, it's got a slanted tip to it. Can you see that? Very cool. And a spoolie on the other side. Hopefully Cocoa Brown is not, ooh, looks a little deep, a little dark. I'm gonna be very light-handed. Brush this through. Not bad when I brush it through. It's definitely too deep of a shade for me. I don't think I chose this shade. Just feather light strokes. We don't want to look angry. No complaints. It's very smooth. Not bad. For being too dark, I was able to make it work. Creamy, precise, very nice. Moving on, the next product that I got is a bronzer. This is the Cabana Club Blurring Bronzer in Club Tropicana from the brand Polite Society. I don't think I've tried anything from Polite Society. Pretty purple packaging. Says this talc-free blurring bronzer combines both powder and liquid for an innovative texture that helps blur and smooth skin while creating a sun-kissed glow. Ooh, this is what it looks like. It's got a mirror, which I very much appreciate. Feels nice. I don't know if the shade is too light or if it's more buildable. Looks like it's got a little bit of a glow. This is my Tati ES1 brush. It's got a faint tropical smell to it. Pretty. This appears to be the medium shade. There's a shade lighter and a shade deeper, at least on the Ipsy app. There might be more shades on Polite Society's website. But it's nice that it's buildable. And I'm just going in. Maybe a little on the nose. I actually really like this. Kind of reminds me of my Essence. But if pretty packaging is something you like, it's a good option so far. We'll see how it lasts. The next product that I got is from a brand that I do not know called Dalish. Dalish Cosmetics Powder Blush Duo in Peachy Keen, which is a soft peach pink coral. Here's what the packaging looks like. It says online, a fresh radiant duo featuring a soft peach and pink coral to deliver a healthy sun-kissed glow that instantly brightens the complexion. I just dropped my Natasha Denona palette off of my lap, and look what I did. Good news, none of them broke. Bad news, I put them all back in, and I have no idea what order they belong in. Let's check out this blush. It does have a mirror. And it's double-sided. Looks like there's a peachy side and a pinky side. Let's give them a swatch. Ooh. All right, so the pink is a little poppin'. I feel like my eye is a little peach and my lip is a little pink, so that kind of works out perfectly. I'm just gonna swirl all around. This is my Refer 05. Maybe I'll tap it on my hand first. Just go in. This mirror has a plastic on it. I was gonna say, that's a terrible mirror. It's not a terrible mirror, it's a nice mirror. I was worried this blush would be too glowy, and while it is glowy, I still think it's very pretty. Cheap feeling packaging. And the last product, not a makeup item. This is from the brand Day. This is the Dream Veil Hair and Body Fragrance Mist. Retails for $24. Notes of sparkling citrus, dewy orange blossom, and warm vanilla. A splash of cactus water gives hair and skin a hydrated, sunshine-kissed vibe. Just says to shake well and mist generously on hair and body. Repeat throughout the day when you need an extra spritz of sunshine. I will say I have a couple of products from Day, and I do very much enjoy the scent. It is very citrusy, sweet, orange. Yes, it smells very good. Let's protect the jewelry here. I like it. Final thoughts on the products. In last place, I'll rank the Laura Geller mascara, and that's really a very loose last place. I think this mascara may get better over time. I'll keep playing with it, but it was not love at first use. Next will be the blush. A little bit glowy, but looks beautiful. This feels like the cheapest packaging. The brow pencil really surprised me. I really liked the application. I'm just not sure how much I'll reach for it because the shade is deeper than I would prefer. I really like the Polite Society Blurring Bronzer. Very nice. I like that it's buildable. It's a beautiful color, and I'll probably reach for this more than anything. I have been enjoying those day products. It's the leave-in mist conditioner. I think I also have the texturizing spray. So this will be right on my vanity with my perfumes. I'll just mix it with some sort of sweet vanilla scent perfume that I might be wearing that day. So was it worth my $30 for this box? I'm gonna say absolutely. I think it was a great box, lots of items that I will use. It's not a surprise when you open the box, but at least at the beginning of the month when you get to pick and you see what they've picked for you, there's your surprise. I'll take that. I hope that this was enjoyable and informative for you. There are variations to this box, so you could get something different based on your profile. If you get the Ipsy Extra box, let me know. Did you get something different? Are you enjoying your box? If you are interested in the Ipsy box, I will have the information listed and linked in the description box below, along with all of the other makeup that I wore and the individual links for these products if you're not interested in the box but want to check out the product. If you shop with those links, I want to thank you in advance. They are affiliate links. They do provide me with a small commission that does support me and my channel. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload videos on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up and of course, leave me a comment, even if it's just a heart to let me know you were here. I thank you so much for spending some of your precious time with me today. I'll see you in the next one.